a 70s classic, and it looks like it could have came to us from the 70s like last week. This thing is unbelievable. 1972 Olds 98 two-door hardtop, and listen to this, 30,155 original miles on the car right now. Original Georgia car. Numbers matching 455 underneath the hood, that's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic to be exact. Power steering, power brakes, optional AC equipped. I'm going to tell you about the options here in just a bit in the window sticker, but first let's take a look at this front. Chrome in the bumper, headlight surrounds, dual Oldsmobile grills. Great looking front end. Covert beige is the color. If you want to check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Michelin tires, of course. Oldsmobile wheel covers. Now, paperwork that's going to go with this car. Listen to this. Owner's manuals. You'll see those in the still pics. Window sticker, the original build sheet, protecto plate, and the letter the protecto plate came with in the envelope from Oldsmobile. Take a look down the passenger side of this car and how straight it is, those long panels. Paint's in nice shape. There may be a spot where there's touch up here or there, and I'll get into a little bit more about the paint in just a bit. But first, let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see how nice and straight, like I said, those long panels are. Fender skirts on the rear. Can you imagine how this thing goes down the road? Speaking of which, Jason's going to get to drive it at the end of this video and show you. So, green interior, and that is original interior. Take a look at the top of that dash. Not cracked, vinyl roof, also green, nice shape. This thing's a time capsule. The only thing that I've noticed is it appears that the trunk lid and the hood were repainted once upon a time. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So take a look at the chrome in the rear. This is where it was sold new, folks. Jackson Olds, Macon, Georgia. Still retaining the dealership insignia on that trunk. I'm going to show you in the trunk too before this video is over. We're going to start it up, take a peek underneath the hood, let you listen to it run. And once again, those still pictures, you'll see the underside, inside the trunk, engine bay. Take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're interested in a cruiser like this, don't wait. This one will not stick around here long. Just tell by the condition of it. If you're into these big 1970s Oldsmobiles, Buicks, Pontiacs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. Like I said, in the hood and the trunk were the two panels that I can see that looks like may have been repainted, but again, still very nice shape. Paint shows well. What a car to take you to local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or hey, just take this thing out and drive it. All right, some of the equipment that I did notice on the window sticker that this does have, power seat and power trunk release for a couple of them. The AM/FM 8-track player, guess what? $215 option in 1972. Kind of cool. AC was $431 back in 1972, by the way. So, obviously cloth seating surface, vinyl on the sides, and look at the condition of the seats. Like I said, it's like this thing came to us from the 70s last week. Interior, it was on the showroom floor yesterday. How about headliner? Looking good. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. There's your exact miles, 30,155. That is original. And again, numbers matching 455. Top of the dash. Like new. Slip around to the back. Listen how that door closed. Don't hear them like that nowadays. I would say what you'd expect out of a 1972 455 in an Oldsmobile. Little rumble, nothing crazy over the top. Let me slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood so you can check out the engine bay. And then, like I said, stick around to the very end of this video, and we're going to have Jason take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, I mentioned the trunk, and I was going to show it to you. So the electric trunk popper release, if you will, in the glove box works. There's your original jacking instructions, tool and wheel storage stickers. And look at this trunk. So full-size spare, remember those days? There's a little bit of the spare paint right here from the trunk lid and the hood. Look at the original carpeting in the trunk, and then the original filler panels. And how about up here underneath the hood? I think you know how this is going to look. There it is. Just look at lack of corrosion. Nice and clean and tidy it is. Smooth it's running. Again, 30,000 original miles. Numbers matching. You're going to be able to see the stamp on the engine. We also have a close-up of the data tag. If you want to do any decoding, the VIN. All of that will be in the still pictures, plus all that original paperwork, including that build sheet. Wow. It's a cool one, folks. 1972 Oldsmobile 98 two-door hardtop. Original mile car. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1972 Oldsmobile 98. This is a beautiful two-door in excellent condition inside and out. The AM radio is working well.
That support IFC.
This is an automatic on the column. Other than a little bit of the black paint on the bezel here by the AC controls, the interior looks really good, and so does the exterior. The paint looking great. Speedometer working as it should. The fuel gauge reads entirely full. I can't vouch for whether that is correct or not. Blower motor works on this car. The wipers work. Power windows. Great looking cloth bench seat in this car. Very period correct green shade inside. Definitely brings you back to 1972 with that yellow exterior, green interior. The wood trim on the dash. And a two-door yet. A lot of these big old Oldsmobiles you find will be four doors. This is a nice two-door. Road manners are excellent. Absorbing those road imperfections with luxury as it should. Great power steering, power brakes. Brakes nice and smooth and straight. Not even hearing any kind of rattles or squeaks in this car. It's nice and tight. Corners as it should. It actually corners pretty flat for a 72 Buick. I'm sorry, Oldsmobile. It corners very flat. Great ride from this car. Good acceleration. 455 cubic inches. What else can you ask for? Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Oldsmobile at UniqueClassicCars.com.